Guys, welcome to my channel Chic this style. For this video I'm gonna style wide leg pants into many different ways. I think I styled in 12 different ways, so let's get started. So for the first outfit I'm wearing a graphic tee with the wide leg pants. So I paired it with Oxford shoes, and yeah, that's the look. I really like how this look is literally balanced. Both it is both put together chic and street style at the same time. I mean, it is not that street style, but it has that casual vibe. Then I added this white bag, crossbody bag, and yeah, that's it. By the way, guys, follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of fashion stuff there. So I hope you will like it at the rate chic the style. And to tie in the look, I added these cross earrings. And yeah, my look is all complete now. This outfit is really comfortable, by the way. Okay, for the next outfit, I styled this oversized neon t-shirt. So you saw how I tucked in this oversized t-shirt into a very cropped t-shirt, and I really like the neon look with these cream pants, and I kept the shoes same, and yeah, that's the whole look. You can literally see how wide leg pants can make any outfit so put together and chic. I mean, these are literally just t-shirt, and that too oversized, not that like very structured and all that, and still it looks very classy. And yeah, I kept the shoes and earrings same, and there you have it. Next outfit is with bodysuit. I mean, bodysuits are so forgiving, and especially with bi leg pants. I mean, if you have tummy fat and you are a little insecure about it, that you will not look as good in bodysuit, then try it with wide leg pants and you will look fabulous. I mean, wide leg pants practically hides your belly fat, because they are mostly very high waisted, and the structure they give more definition. Matlab, they make your waist smaller than your hips, and give you hourglass shape, right? So yeah, you got the point, right? I hope you got it. So for the next outfit, I just layered the bra over that oversized t-shirt, that neon t-shirt, and yeah, you have the look. I mean, this overlinked your sports bra over any t-shirt or a shirt is kind of trend these days. I have seen a lot of people doing this. Actually, I started doing this after I saw an outfit of Valeria Lupavitsky, and after that I was so inspired by that outfit. I literally wore that same outfit the next day, literally the next day. So for the next outfit, I wore it with spaghetti strap top, and yeah, that's. You can also pull together this outfit for a date night or a club night, because spaghetti top itself gives very dressier look and show off your collarbone, and that that amount of skin looks good for night events, and yeah. And for the next outfit, I paired it with bell sleeves. I mean, I really like the look of it, because these are very 90s inspired. I know a lot of you might not like it because it is like too much of flare. Your wide leg pants are already little flared, and then you have flares in your on your sleeves, but I think it works, kind of works, and I really like how it looks on my body, and it gives me little dressier look, and yeah. And this outfit is kind of color blocking as well, so everything works out. For the next outfit I am pairing it with tank tops, and tank tops looks really chic with the wide leg pants. And yeah, and this tank top especially is my favorite because it is pastel, and pastel are literally in these days. And I paired it with long stripy wide leg pants and stripes. You everyone knows what stripe does to your body. It gives you height, right? And yeah, that's it. And I have paired most of the outfit with these clear heels, which gives me extra height, which is always a plus point. And yeah, and here you can see I have tucked in my tank top under my bra. That is what I always do because I like everything cropped on me, because I have small torso. And the next outfit is I styled it with kurta. I mean, not that very original, but I kinda wanted to put it in, because I wanted to bring that Indian look. And I paired this whole outfit with these slippers. I don't know what these slippers are kinda called. I mean, they are like one angutha thing. I know Indians will know. And yeah, that's all about it. Actually, I wanted to wear it with jhumkas, but I forgot to wear jhumkas while recording. So just imagine jhumkas on my ears. And for the next outfit I paired these white wide leg pants with these pearly shirt, and I really like the look of pearls on wide leg pants, especially white wide leg pants. I mean, they give a whole new vibe to the outfit and looks like you have put in a lot of, I mean, this outfit in all looks expensive. I mean, pearls look expensive, so always go for pearls. And that's all about the outfit. I am actually wearing this shirt, half open, and then I tucked in the sides, on the sides of my wide leg pants. And yeah, I didn't tucked in the whole shirt. I rather tucked in the sides of it to give more both oversized and structured look at the same time, and that's look really nice. And for the next outfit I'm wearing it with puffy sleeves. I mean, you might have seen this kind of outfit on my channel a lot of times because I love it. I really love puffy sleeves, especially this top is itself a statement. Okay, a little shout out to myself. Please subscribe to my channel if you have watched so far. I mean, it is good thing to subscribe to other people channels, because it is a lot of hard work, and I am not getting anything out of it. So please subscribe. Also, all the outfit details always leave in the description, so never forget to check the description as well before you leave from here. And for the last outfit I'm wearing it with my knitted top, and the whole bodysuit and knitted top idea is same. Both give structure to the outfit and are kind of forgiving because you are wearing it with wide leg pants and it will hide your tummy fat. And knitted tops looks very chic on your body, and especially, I mean, on all body types, because they are kinda uh, you know body hugging, but not that suffocating body hugging, so it looks good. And for the last outfit I'm wearing it with tiny pastel top, and yeah, that's all about it. I really like how this pastel top looks on my body because it is very tiny, and you all must know that I love crop tops because I have small torso. And if you want to look taller than you actually are, just go for crops crop tops and high waisted things, and you will look tall. And that's all about it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, comment down below your video request, and see you soon. Bye.